I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air.
Un par de casos para que nos sirve y la cámara calcula el riesgo, ¿vale? Un 2000avo de velocidad para conseguir congelar el haz de luz. Así que también
¿Habéis hecho ya algo, no? De primero.
vamos con la parte congelada. La
Vale.
parte primera, que la todo. Como posible, si tenéis esos 100 o si tenéis esos 200, una velocidad lo más alto es en prioridad velocidad, en ese.
Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I'm going with the wind. I'm not the only one who's alone.